Assalamualaikum and hello, good morning my little kiddies. Welcome to online classroom with teacher Jiha. Okay, before we started our lesson today, let's sing a song together and say hello to me and your friends. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. Okay, class. We are going to learn about farm animals. But first, do you know what is farm animals? Farm animals that are raised and kept for their meat, dairy product, or help out the farmers. They include cow, chicken, sheep, duck, and more. This is horse. This is horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse can ride and help the farmer with their day-to work. Horse can be used to pull trailer, wagon, and more. This is chicken. This is chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken are kept either for their meat or to lay eggs. Female chicken can lay eggs and we call it hens. This is duck. This is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. You might also find duck on a farm. It just seems like chicken. Duck meat tastes so delicious. This is cow. This is cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow can provide us with milk which is used to make dairy products like cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Cow might also be kept for their beef. This is sheep. This is sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep give us wool to make sweater, sock, hats, and mitten. Wool keep us warm in the winter. Quiz time. Are you ready, kids? Which of these is a farm animal? Is it tiger, or dog, or monkey? Which one the answer? The answer is duck. Good job, everyone. Duck. Duck. Which of these is a farm animals give us milk? So what the answer? Yes, the answer is cow. Correct. Good job. See you next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Bye-bye.